Hi, my name is Chris Arredondo. I'm from Salida, Colorado. I'm a ski instructor, really big on the outdoors, and I first heard about the NRVTA from one of my buddies who's actually here attending with me. I've been RVing for close to 5 years. I did it full-time with my fiance for 3. The fundamentals course in the first week was one of those things that kind of got me to realize that I could wrap my head around all of this stuff. The way that Todd breaks down these individual topics is incredible. Just to be able to put my hands on all of these different pieces of equipment, everything from air conditioners to refrigerators, stuff like that, where you initially look at these things and think that they're ultra complicated, and then you kind of break it down and you realize that, like, hey, I can fix this stuff. You're not looking at one circuit board and diagnosing one refrigerator. You're looking at 15 or 20 air conditioners. It's the same way. You just have all these different pieces of equipment, machinery, and breaking all of them down multiple times and diagnosing issue after issue after issue has really done a lot to increase my confidence in myself and my ability to fix these things on my own rig, but also to push that forward and help people out in the future. I think that the NRVTA is an incredible option for anyone looking into getting into the industry, even if it's just being able to understand your own rig and fix your own problems. It's been awesome.